Merrick Bank Credit Card Review, 2025 Pros and Cons Full Overview. Most people get credit cards wrong by thinking approval is impossible with less than perfect credit. Merrick Bank in 2025 specializes in helping build or rebuild credit, but is it worth considering? Merrick offers secured and unsecured cards with reporting to all three major credit bureaus. The surprising truth is approval flexibility. You won't believe what happens next when applicants with poor or no credit are often approved, helping establish a positive credit history. Another advantage is responsible credit building. Most people get this wrong by assuming high fees, while some cards have annual fees on time use, and small balances can significantly improve credit scores over time. However, cons include higher interest rates compared to prime credit cards and limited rewards programs. Users must be disciplined to avoid accruing unnecessary debt. In conclusion, Merrick Bank credit cards are ideal for those looking to rebuild or establish credit in 2025. If you manage spending carefully and pay on time, it's a practical tool for improving your financial standing. For those with excellent credit, other cards may offer better rewards and lower rates.